Hey Vero Beach, it's Lori Zink with the Reynolds team. Stay tuned. Are you considering jumping into this hot market on your own? Do you believe this market is so quick it's easy to buy and sell by yourself? Stay tuned to see why that may not be the case and why hiring an expert advisor will give you the best advice in today's market. Having an experienced guide coaching you through the process of buying or selling a home is important in a normal market. But today's market is far from normal. As a result, an expert real estate advisor isn't just good to have by your side, they're essential. Today's housing market is full of extremes. Experts project mortgage rates will continue to rise this year, and that's driving significant demands on homes for buyers that want to make their purchase before rates climb even higher. At the same time, an absence of sellers is leading to record low housing inventory. This imbalance in supply and demand is creating bidding wars and driving home price appreciation, as well as considerable gains for home equity. The market conditions can feel overwhelming, but you don't have to go at it alone. Having a trusted expert to coach you through the process of buying or selling a home gives you clarity and confidence through each step. Here are just a few of the ways a real estate expert is invaluable. Contracts. Agents help with disclosures, contracts necessary in today's heavily regulated environment. Experience. In an unprecedented market, experience is crucial. Real estate professionals know the entire sales process, including now, how it's changed over the past 2 years. Negotiations. Your real estate advisor acts as a buffer in negotiations with all parties through the entire transaction and advocates for your best interest. Education. Knowledge is power in today's market, and your advisor will simply and effectively explain market conditions and translate what that means for you. Pricing. Finally, a real estate professional understands today's real estate values when setting the price for your home or helping you make an offer to purchase one. A real estate agent is a crucial guide through this unprecedented market, but not all agents are created equal. A true expert can carefully walk you through the whole real estate process, look for your unique needs, and advise you on the best ways to achieve success. Finding an expert real estate advisor, not just any agent, should be your top priority when you're ready to buy or sell a home. What's the key to choosing the right expert? It starts with trust. You'll want to know you can trust their advice when they're giving it to you. So you need to make sure you're connected with a true professional. No one can provide perfect advice because it's impossible to know exactly what's going to happen at every turn, especially in today's unique market. But a true professional can give you the best possible advice based on the information and situation at hand. They'll help you make the necessary adjustments along the way, advocating for you throughout the process and coaching you on the essential knowledge you need to make confident decisions. That's exactly what you want and deserve. Bottom line, it's critical to have an expert on your side who's well-versed in navigating through today's rapidly changing market. If you're planning to buy or sell a home this year, let's connect so you have a real estate professional on your side to give you the best advice and guide you along the way. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Talk to you soon.